Stanley Bishop, and I'm an instructor in the Industrial Maintenance Tech program here on campus. It's a 2-year program. I teach the mechanical courses, and Max Dickerson teaches the electrical courses. I just want to talk to you a little bit today about being a student here at MCC. Every day you come on campus, every day you come see us or any of the other instructors, that's an opportunity for you to learn. And so you need to take that opportunity to learn. That's why we're here. College expectations are a little different than high school. There's some personal responsibility there that you need to be prepared to learn every day. And every day you should know at the end of the day, I learned something today. If you didn't, you need to talk to your instructor. We need to give you something every day for you to learn. And so you have a responsibility to learn something. We put it out there and you accept it. So you need to come ready to learn every day. One of the problems I see in students is all they want to know is when we're going to get through, or how long is this going to take, when we're going to get out today. And so that tells me they don't have an expectation to learn, they just want to get through. Don't just want to get through, want to learn something. Everybody should not be satisfied with where they are with everything. I know you probably would like to have a better home life or a better relationship. You'd like your sports team to do better. You'd like your spiritual life to do better. You should be the same way about your learning experience here. You should want it to be better. You should want to add education to that list of things that you want to be better. Don't just be satisfied with what you know. Come here expecting to learn something. Let us help you. And one thing I'll say too is don't quit. If you don't understand something, talk to your instructor. Ask questions. Show effort. If you come in and have a poor attitude and you don't want to learn, you don't talk to your instructor, then you can have problems. So come here wanting to learn, and then if you don't or you don't understand, get help. That's why we're here. We're here to teach you. So learn what we're trying to teach. Don't look for excuses for reasons you didn't learn. In the same classroom where somebody may say, I didn't understand, or he didn't make sense, another person will have gotten it, will have understood. So don't look for an excuse, look for a way to learn. Talk to your instructor, please. Let them know you're struggling, and look for answers. We at MCC, all the instructors here, we want you to be successful. We really do. We don't want you to fail a class, fail a test, fail anything. We want you to be successful here, and we think being successful here will help you be more successful in life. Come expecting to learn. Take the responsibility that I'm here to learn today. I'm not just here to get through. Don't look for an excuse why you didn't learn. Talk to your instructor and find out what you missed, what you need to do to learn. And then don't give up. Ask for some help. Look for the help that you need. Find out what you need to do. We want you to know. We want you to learn. We want you to move forward in life. We need you to be successful. So help us help you by coming here ready to learn every day. Thanks.